Chelsea is a vibrant young student who is going away to Singapore for her final semester of school. Over the past few days, I have shown her mix and match fashion, easy makeup tips, and practical hairstyles to get her ready for her big trip. She leaves tonight. I want to send her away on her trip feeling confident and ready to take on the world.
I've been watching Rachel's videos for some time now, and it's just been so cool to have her actually here and helping me out, getting me ready for my trip.
Okay, Chelsea, today is the big day. You're going to Singapore, are you excited?
I'm so excited and really nervous.
So of course, now we have to do all of the actual packing. To make this easier on you, I'm gonna show you a bunch of really easy packing hacks to make the whole process so much faster, so much smoother, and then we will get you packed and ready to go. You ready?
I've been dreading this for a while, but let's do it.
All right, we're gonna start with what's already in the suitcase, which are all of our lovely clothes for you. And we rolled the ones that are going to wrinkle the easiest, so we want to make sure they're rolled, keeps them from wrinkling. And then we're going to have our shorts and our jeans and things like that. They're just going to be folded because we don't have to worry about that. And then to protect them, we're going to take a dry cleaning bag, or you can take a garbage bag, whatever you have on hand, and we're just going to fold it over top of all of our clothes to protect them and keep them safe. So we have our 3 pairs of shoes, which you're gonna go away with.
I can't believe I'm leaving the country with 3 pairs of shoes.
Please, you're gonna be coming back with like 7.
You're right.
So much shopping. Whenever I pack my shoes, I've noticed they always like flatten like this and they lose their shape, right? So we're gonna take some socks and we're just gonna stuff them inside. This is such an easy way to keep the shape of our shoes. But we're gonna protect our clothes even further by using a shower cap.
Very cute.
Yeah. So now we're gonna talk all things makeup and toiletries. So a quick tip for protecting your makeup. Have you ever had a compact actually crush and break?
A lot of times.
Lots of times, right?
Lots of times.
So a really good tip is to take just a cotton ball and you're going to just put it on top and close it up. Or you can just take a cotton pad and just put that over top of any eyeshadow palettes that you have. It's a perfect way to keep them protected.
That is so genius.
Isn't that awesome? So we packed up our makeup already.
Love it.
Love it. All of our makeup's in here, so we're just going to stick that right in. Now on to bobby pins. Somehow we always end up with like 3 when we start with like 1,000. So what I'm doing instead is putting them inside a candy case, and this makes sure that they're all gonna be together. They're gonna stay with you forever. You can put them in your purse, you can just throw them in your bag. It is totally goof-proof. Now on to our shampoo bottles. They constantly, I don't know what it is, they always explode like all over clothes.
They explode everywhere.
This is a great way to protect your clothes, is just putting some plastic wrap over top of the inside of the bottle, and that's just gonna make sure that it's not gonna leak anywhere. So we're just sticking all of our toiletries in here, our razors, everything's all in one place, so it's easy for you to take it to the bathroom and back if you need to, if you're like in a res or something.
That's true, 'cause I will be in a res.
These are some things that I have picked up over the years just to protect all of our jewelry. So number 1, our studs. So what you do is you just put your little studs right through a little button, any buttons, and that's a great way to keep them together.
Cute as a button.
And then we gotta protect our delicate jewelry because they always get tangled, and the best way to do that is with a straw. So you're just gonna take the little itty bitty chain and just feed it right through the straw.
Okay.
And then you're gonna protect all of your necklaces from getting tangled.
That's awesome.
And then we have our big statement jewelry, like the one you have on right now. We don't want that one to get all ruined when we're traveling, so what I like to do is cover it with plastic wrap. Just completely cover it up, and that way there is no way that it's gonna get nicked or any of the beautiful gems get ruined.
Rachel, I don't mind traveling with 3 pairs of shoes because you let me bring almost all of my necklaces.
And you're done, girl.
I've packed.
You packed. I can't believe we did it. High five.
High five.
We closed it. We didn't even have to sit on it.
Thank you.
Of course. You have been a doll and so much fun.
A week ago, I didn't even think it was possible to fit my stuff in a suitcase. But here I am.
Here you are, all packed and ready to go.
Thanks to Rachel, I feel confident to get on that plane, and I can't believe I'm gonna be in Singapore in 24 hours.
I am so excited for Chelsea. This is a huge opportunity for her, and I know she finally feels ready. So now it's time for her to say goodbye to everyone and get on her way.
With business class, they give you unlimited food.
Thank you, everyone, for coming.
Neti and Petties are only $2.
Nice.
I'm really gonna miss everyone, and it was so nice to see them, but I'm really excited for what's ahead.
This has been an amazing experience. Chelsea is gonna have the time of her life, and I'm so glad I got to be a part of it.